Okay, so I am starting already with an eye done because I wanted to figure out where I wanted to go with this. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use mostly my Soft X Revolution palette and also a single eyeshadow from Kiko. And I'm starting by priming my lid with the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. I am setting the primer with the shade Penguin. Now I am taking a small brush into the shade Mug Cake and I'm going to put it along my lash line and also the inner corner of my crease to create kind of a V shape. And then I'm taking a fluffier brush also on the shade Mug Cake and I'm gonna try and blend that up and out. Now above that shade I am going to take the shadow Pug with a blending brush and I'm taking this on all of my crease. On my lower lash line I'm also going to take the shade Mug Cake to like here and then also blend it with the shade Pug. I must say that this is kind of my first attempt at doing a smoky eye, and now I'm going to take a small pencil brush into the shade Nightmare, that is this matte black color, and I'm taking it across my lower lash line, the outer half, and then start to wing it up and then blending it in and also taking it a little bit on my crease. And I'm also taking a little bit of the black on the outer third of my lower lash line. Okay, and now on my inner corner I'm going to use the single eyeshadow from Kiko. This is in the shade 208 and it's one of those water eyeshadows. This is a gold one and I'm taking it on a flat wet brush. And here, where the gold color meets, I am blending it with a little bit of Mug Cake. The upper edge, I'm blending it with the shade Pug. Then finally, for my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going into the shade Fairy Lights, that is this one. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow look. I then used a black pencil on my waterline up and down. I used the NYX Epic Incliner to create a wing, And for mascara, I used the Kiko Standout Volume Buildable Mascara. Then if you want to, I guess you can also add some false lashes, but I just never use them. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I think that this mascara already gives them a very nice false lash effect. And now I'm going to do my face. I mean, my foundation, concealer, powder is already done, so I'm now going to add bronzer, and I'm using the Kiko Gold Waves Bronzer. And for blush, I'm adding just a little bit of this one from Kiko. This was from the Lip Mulats collection, but it's basically a corally blush and it has a little bit of shimmer. And then for highlighter, I feel like also using the one from Sophie, the Self Highlighter Palette, and I am taking, I think I am going to take the gold shade. I think this matches very well with the eye look. Oh, also, I did already have my brows done and I used the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade. And then I think I'm going to pair it with a red lipstick. So this red lipstick is the Cream Lip Stain from Sephora, and now for setting spray I am using the Fix and Perfect from Primark. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think it's very nice for both Christmas or New Year, and if you want to, if you think the red lipstick is too much, you can also pair it with a nude lipstick. I think it will go very, very well with each one. So yeah, if you liked this look and if you liked this video, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and to subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments below what would you do differently, or if you would wear exactly like this. And yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching and Merry Christmas. Bye!